How are we doing, Lions? Previously on Kimba TV. You see it? Yeah, but I think 26.8 I'll probably get into a short. Right now, if bulls are able to hold like 300, 315, 310, then the longer that they do it, the higher the probability becomes of being able to rotate back up to the 500, 600s. Hey, all right, how we doing? How we doing? I gotta get caught up on the TA. What are the levels here? I'm debating taking the 786, 886. Should I just do it for science? I haven't had enough time to do TA here. Holy shit, what is going on here? Where's the big, okay, so this, 618, what is this, 26156, 26147, okay, let me see. Will Macaulay give us all we need is like a $400, $500 move, ladies and gentlemen. Will he give it to us into the 25.6, 25.8, 25.7? What are we doing today, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, let me take a look at this. All right, Macaulay Culkin in 3, 2, 1. All right, Macaulay. Go. Could we do it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Adderall, Macaulay, Golden Pocket. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Oh, Macaulay. Hey, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. Should we take a stab here, or what do you guys want to do? What is that? 26160. 26160? Macaulay Culkin, 5-minute candle closes in 45 seconds. Karen says, I'm just waiting for the Kimba box down there. I see you. Yeah, I'm taking a little shot here for science. Yeah, my original thing got stopped out. I kind of wish I didn't, but I'm taking a stab here. Okay, grab, right? So the range would be that. Okay, so grab liquidity, sweep liquidity, swing high, swing low, golden pocket. If we can rotate, we have a chance to sweep all of these. But we got to get above this. And you still got to hold. Let's do this. What is that value area low? Like 160? 159? Oh. 155. Okay. Toddler says, what's the plan? Well, it's fibbing. If you've been watching, everything is fibbing. Still the same. It's Snowing says they hunted you like a little sheep. I know. If I wasn't at work, they wouldn't have got me. But hey, man, that's real life. Shit happens sometimes. Yeah, I tried my best to kind of finagle it in between my meetings and rushing over to see the client, but. You know, that's the purpose of it. Hopefully you got back in, though, on the Golden Pocket retest. Yeah, even if I'm not here to do it and show y'all how to do it, it's pretty simple to get back in it, right? Yeah, I swear to God, they know when, like, I'm not logged in or I'm not, like, the account is idle. Oh my God. The correlation between when I get stopped out pixel perfect during meetings is like 95%. It's insane. I think like the simplest thing to do if you really want to wait for that juicer magooser would be to just be patient, wait for the 25.6, 25.7, 25.8. You know, you can get cute and try to play like Kimba boxes with a lower low, you know, try to front run S&P and bull divs, you know. Oh, in general, the CVD is ass. So being in like a 26.3 short, 26.4, 26.6 short is still the thangity thing to be in until those fuckers get stopped out. The way it is asking, would a lower low be the easy invalidation? So yes and no. You just have to be aware of any sort of bull divs that you might run into. As long as you understand the way it is that any sort of longs that you're going to take here, like I said, should be for science, and there's no hopium or some sort of, oh my God, this could be it type of thing. Because the best thing is clearly to just wait for 25.8, 25.7, 25.6 if you want to take a long. So like I said, if you want to front run a div or something like that, then be my guest. Yeah, on the smaller time frame, you finally started to make higher highs, you know, and higher lows, and so that's a great thing to see, especially pivoting off of Kimba box. However, like if you look on the bigger picture, look, it's pretty pixel perfect. So that would tend to be a bearish structure. So maybe you get like some sort of funky ass like double bottom bull div to give you like one more to like clear out some of these shorts. Lots of shorts getting away with it, right? So you could get like sweep and then maybe like sweep this fucker right here. Or this guy, just sweep that. It's Macaulay Culkin right now, so I don't really know. But you got the Big Daddy swing high, swing low. We're all looking at it. Got rejected at 382. Pulling back towards the golden pocket once again. Senior Sakin says, Kimba in YouTube VIP stream, bug, zero position. Brother, when I'm streaming, it's not synced up. I'm telling you right now what I'm doing. I got filled for a small position on Kimba box. I may or may not add more on the bullish retest. But yeah, because I'm logged into it now, so that's not synced anymore. But did you see that I got stopped out? I got stopped out for Tiny P. All right, and then as soon as, did the alert not go? Usually when I start the stream, there should be something that goes, the sync is off. Alrighty. But Kimba box, I just drew it and I told you. Okay? Like even look at this. 1 minute. Boy, quit playing with me. And then I also just told you what I wanted if we get up there and then if we start pulling back. Bugatti, come on. Math. Tim is asking, hey Kimba, did you end up adding on retest? I did. Let me just save, and my average is 159 something. I can't see it's too small on the VPS preview screen, but it's like 159. I was aiming to make sure that it was around the 618, and I think the 618 is 160, is it not? Yeah, and I think we're all seeing what it's doing. So here is the thingity thing once again. What y'all thinking? S&P did not sweep. That's hella sus, right? S&P didn't sweep. That's hella sus. I don't know about this, man. I don't know about this. I don't know if you guys have gone down that road yet, but single prints on S&P and NASDAQ, my boy. I swear to God, Michael Burry is just a single print to single print trader too. All right. Crispy Crim says short, still running from last week. Oh my God, that means you have an amazing entry. But is it the 26.6, 26.7, 26.8s? How many of you guys are short from 26.6, 26.7, 26.8, and you're kind of like, you're looking at all these higher low wicks and you're like, dude, these guys are gonna get me fucked up. Cause if any of those like bluffs are called, it's stopping everybody. It's like you got the weakest Spartan soldier in the front. It makes no sense. But yeah, we'll see. We will see. But yeah, obviously, like the easiest long would be from 25.6, 25.7. So let's not get that twisted. Maybe my whole thing is like, maybe we shouldn't be so stubborn for like a 26.8 rotation. Maybe we should actually start to be thankful for like a 26.6, 26.7 short. Maybe even like a 26.450, 500. We should be thankful if we can get it. I don't know. Shout out to Bybit CVD for kind of being useless the last couple days, yeah? I mean, if you're in a long with me, like, you know that is a little bit ridiculous, right? As long as we know it. So yeah, it's actually interesting. I feel like with every golden pocket, it hits resistance. I'm like, shit, should I have shorted that bitch? You know, every time, when I started seeing this, I was like, shit, should I have been in a short right there? So Willie D's has been lurking for a bit. Good shit. All you really need, I think, is this. You know, you clearly have, whether it's a channel or not, you clearly have like a downward trending resistance line. So you need to get significant high time frame body candle closes above that, right? And then even if you do get outside of this, you still have mathematical levels that are going to act as resistance. And then you've got 5th grade TA stuff that Suave was talking about. You know, you got point of control, naked point of control, and then you've got single prints and you've got sweeps. So if you do start to move up, the levels are pretty well identified, I think, you know, whether it's this 26.3 or the 26.6. And you know what's really funny is like, we already know that this is kind of like the value area low zone. So if you turn that bitch into support, whether it's the value area low or it's golden pocket, once this is turned into support, you've got a really high chance of rotating to the opposite side. That would be the 26.6. And then you've got a naked point of control right there. You know, and that's probably like a 7.5 or 7.86 if we had to do something like this, I would assume. Holy shit, will you look at that? So like, that's, if you're in this retardo long, that's probably a first TP. That's probably first TP. That's significant TP, or you might even want to start thinking about hedging. Okay, but again, we talked about the single prints, the sweeps, all of that stuff. So you kind of have to figure out how you want to play that thing. Yeah? Stop loss is at break even, okay? The lesson really today was there's always another trade. If you saw me, I got stopped out. I was at work. I couldn't help it. All right. But 8-9 hours later, I start the stream after I get back from a long work day, pull up some TA, look at the retraces, think about the probabilities, set the levels, get nasty. I got filled for 50 Bitcoin on Kimba Box. We literally articulated the bullish retest pullback. And you know what's crazy is if you go back and you watch or listen to the stream, I throw out the 160 golden pocket a bunch of times and look at my average entry, 159. So Phelps says, are you maximizing profit after higher high? Not really, Phelps. I'm keeping it dead ass simple. Do you want to talk, Phelps? Do you see where the value area high and the golden pocket is? You also have a weekly at like 580. So if you want to do the right thing, you're going to pull swing high, swing low, TP at every golden pocket, and you're going to, close out significant amounts at 300 and 580. So do not do what I'm doing. I'm telling you what the right play is, but you decide what you want to do. If you want to be a degen with me, and you're okay with getting round tripped, then so be it. But just like the other long, I'm telling you what the right thing is to do. So, okay, the book says you should TP some at 300 and like at 580. But I'm going for the home runs. Sometimes I get round tripped and sometimes the home runs work. So you got to be okay with what you're comfortable with, being okay with. Does that make sense? That's, nothing's really changed since last week. You should be completely aware of what the risk reward is, okay? But we're all looking at the same shit. And golly, those fucking structures looks real sweepity. Okay? Oh my God, what in the fuck is going on? It's like Sato traded all of this or something. That looks real juicy for a sweep. You know, this isn't the first time we've seen this. This is like thousands of times. So let's see what happens. Okay, this is the Fibby that we drew earlier in the day. So everybody good? Hopefully that helps, but there's really no right or wrong. If you want to do the buy the book thing, Phelps, 300, 550, okay? 600, 700, 800, 900 would be your TP levels. Something like that. We're looking at this golden pocket right now. If the structure is going to hold, if the bullish momentum is going to continue and we have a chance to make higher highs, it's not going to lose this golden pocket. It's not going to lose this Kimba box. If we were to lose this Kimba box right here, then it's like, shit. And then we got to watch that 184 or whatever, because that would be like an interesting sweep of these dudes, right? So I think it could the goofiest shit, okay, and the most probable, because it is the goofiest, is it wants to sweep these dickheads right here, and then I get fucked over because it pinks me. What's my entry? Like 150, let's just say 160, right? I'm right here. My stop loss is at like 165 right now. So the goofiest shit would be if I get stopped out on these dickhead sweeps right here. Please, god damn it. But you guys see the TPO, right? You guys see it? Whether it's on Trading Light or whatever, you guys see it, right? Okay, so it's doing its thangity thing. We need to continue to make higher highs. So we were just talking about it, but I got stopped out, and then like 6, 7, 8, 9 hours later, we did some TA, and we took what would have been the next best possible. You know that I'm in a long, right? So we already talked. We actually took this live. We talked about it. We prepped. So my entry is 159. So I got stopped out, did some TA, and then I'm in the same trade basically, just $70 away. What was my other one? Like, wasn't it like 26,080? So I'm in the same trade again. It's just $70 worse. Okay, there's always a place to re-enter. You just got to look at the risk reward and the math and the CVD, open interest, all that stuff. Ooh, what an interesting day. What an interesting day. Let's get at it again tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. All right, will I be stopped out? We'll find out. All right, we got some interesting sweeps coming up, so we'll see. We'll see, ladies and gentlemen. Rooting for each and every one of you guys. You already know what it is. Stay safe. And let's have some fun tomorrow. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. U.S. market, let's go. Sato, take him out.